Hello, everybody. My name is Taylor Parrish, and I'm presenting AOE Greens. Anywhere on Earth Greens. We're a vertical hydroponics company. We're taking a new approach to the vertical hydroponic industry. Hello, my name is Taylor Parrish. I'm here today to introduce you all to Future of Farming, AOE Greens. Did you know that currently the UN estimates agricultural production has to increase by up to 70% in the next 30 years just to sustain the rising population growth? Now, to put this into perspective, this means increasing our available farmland by up to 30 million kilometers in the next 30 years. To put this increase in perspective, this means increasing our farmland up 30 million kilometers in the next 30 years. This is roughly equivalent to the size of the continent of Africa. However, traditional farming does not allow for this size of an increase due to their excessive consumption. Currently, traditional farms consume over 80% of our available fresh water, while occupying over 50% of our available land. They are currently unable to grow into this. Hydroponics, on the other hand, offers a solution to this. Hydroponic farming gives you the ability to grow plants with the use or without the use of soil. This allows you to bring the farm indoors. You grow plants through the use of nutrient-rich water. By bringing the farm indoors, you can bring farms in new regions and bring the bring your food product closer to the final consumer. By bringing the farm indoors, you can save up to 95% less water and consume up to 99% less land. Hydroponics, however, has only been able to take up to 3% of the existing agricultural market. So why is this? Part of the reason is the high cost of production. Current hydroponic farms operate around $1.72 per head of lettuce. Well, traditional farms operate around $1 per head. The large increase is due to their excess use of labor. And the use of labor, it's a high variable cost that makes it difficult for them to expand into new regions, while traditional farms are landlocked due to the region that allow them to grow their current product and have a high logistics market in order to supply the product to other regions. We believe that the solution to this can be seen through the use of automated hydroponic farming. We have developed a proprietary system that allows you to go from seed to harvest in as little as one location. This efficiency is currently unmatched by any other technology in the industry. Our system is highly modular and allows us to grow a variety of products in as little as one bed location. Our cutting systems and harvesting systems are also highly modular. This allows us to adapt our cutting systems as technologies continue to advance in this industry and the demand increases. We have designed the system to go vertical. In designing the system to go vertical, we were able to achieve an operating cost as low as $12 per square foot of grow space. This was roughly 60% less than the operating costs of traditional hydroponic farming. In a large scale, we can bring our cost of ownership down to as little as $35 per square foot of grow space. This includes your startup investment, depreciation, and operating expenses. This allows us to offer a premium product similar to that offered of hydroponics at a cost-competitive rate similar to that of traditional farming. We're able to cut out the large logistics seen by traditional farms while eliminating the large labor expense seen in hydroponic farms. In combining this, we're able to achieve a higher quality product and a higher value to our customers. Are all of you familiar with the company Switch? Switch is a data center that allows companies to rent out their existing data space. We plan to do a similar model by leasing our future farmland. By leasing our future farmland, our customers are able to grow their existing product lines inside of our farmland at a competitive rate. Ideally, a customer ideal for our market would be something similar to Walmart, where Walmart currently handles the majority of its own supply chain logistics. Walmart currently sends trucks to farms in order to bring the product back to its distribution facilities in order to supply its existing locations. We're able to bring our farm next to Walmart. This will allow Walmart to receive its products while eliminating the logistics and also offering a higher quality, fresher product with a longer shelf life. This will eliminate some of the variable costs in their production. Currently, we are tackling a $35 billion lettuce market, or $35 billion vegetable market. This market comprises over $12 billion in sales to retail locations alone. By bringing this business to the Reno area, we believe that we can generate over $200 million in additional revenue for our market. We are planning on building a 6-acre facility. and building a 6-acre facility will roughly cost around $6 million. We believe we will generate over $19 million a year in annual revenue, which will receive a return on investment of less than 2 years. So how have we come up with this? For over 2.5 years, we've been researching this market. Initially, we were researching the hydroponic market and seeing its large growth into this industry with growth projections up to from $891 million to $22 billion by 2025. And looking in this market, we realized a large cost of production. In comparison to traditional farms, this cost of production just did not make sense. Our initial idea was, how can we combine these? This later turned into a concept. We later turned this concept into a patent. In filing for a patent, we have continued to develop our prototype. We have developed a prototype that allows us to harvest our products, and we have also begun to grow our products in a hydroponic system, which has propelled us into phase 1. Currently, in phase 1 of our business model, we plan to continue to further develop our technology. We plan to continue to develop our technology and build a pilot system. In building this pilot system, we plan to start leasing farmland in the Reno market. Acquiring data from the Reno market and sales, acquisition, etc., we will start to develop a further business plan to launch us into phase 3. In phase 3 of our production, we plan to look into new markets and also extend our product line. The hydroponic market has seen large investment in recent years, with hundreds of millions of dollars being spent on current hydroponic farms, such as Aero Farms and Plenty Farms. Well, this investment is relatively small in comparison to the $2.64 billion spent on agricultural technology alone in the US during 2013. AOE Greens is able to compete with its competition on several fronts across the board. We're able to compete on fronts such as labor, operating costs, yield per square foot, efficiency, diversity, and safety. I can get into further details about any of these after the presentation. Currently, our team comprises of myself and Michael Gillette, where together we have over 6 years of combined managerial experience and skill sets ranging from national purchasing, national sales, product development, and prototype development. Our advisory board ranges from everything from business development to agricultural business development and agricultural expansion development. Currently, we are seeking new talent, partnerships, mentorships, and customers. In particular, we are seeking new talent and partnerships. We wish to advance our team and develop in the Reno market to further advance our company to the future. Thank you very much. I hope you all enjoyed my presentation. I look forward to answering your questions after.